So doom scrolling is like when we're addicted to scrolling through bad news. So this website says that we should replace that with some joy. So here's some joy scrolling. All right, it's pretty peaceful already. Thank you. That's cute, making a sweater. Let it all wash away. Wow, what a beautiful place. Some music. Nice. Yeah, I like that. Oh, that's good. Ah, I like it. Yeah. Cool. Wow. That's nice. I gotta get that on Spotify after this. This is nice. So peaceful. Let's keep going. It looks like we're taking a plunge in a hot springs or something. I like how they use Celsius. When was the last time you saw a whale in a bad mood? That's a good one. Probably never. Cool. What? Oh, that looks so good. That's delicious. Ah, man, that is so good. Feel the wind in your hair. That's a happy horse thing. What a cool effect, scrolling and kind of removing that paste on their face, whatever that is. Snow? Oh, the sound of the ocean. Taking a deep dive here. Click for a joy scroll performance from Icelandic artist Briette. Let's fast forward. That's cool. That's neat. This place kind of reminds me of where I grew up in northern Canada. Just like the sounds and the sights. Not so much the ocean and stuff, but just like the vibe, the culture. That's cool. Any second now. You should be feeling calmer by now. These kinder sheep are. They chew as I scroll. It's very cool. Be more like her. Yeah, she kind of looks like she's in her element. It's nice. All this scrolling is making us hungry. Yep, me too. This Arctic fox is pleased with your scrolling. Wink as I'm scrolling. Like this is like happening as I scroll. I'm able to like manipulate the story. That's pretty cool. Yes. It's using that song I liked. And this is the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. And that's very familiar to me growing up. We saw that all the time. Not gonna lie, like 16 meters in and I'm like feeling pretty good. Take flight with this deer falcon. That's cool. Wow. Look at this. It's like scrolling through Jurassic Park. We're 17.2 meters in and I'm feeling like, I don't know, nostalgic and peace. I think here we're like supposed to hear something, but I don't hear anything. Did you know puffins mate for life? That's cute. They're a lot smaller in real life than they look in the pictures. If elves aren't real, then who lives here? Probably elves. Wow. Skal. Cheers. Here's to your progress. Wow. It's like you scroll and you get to move the clouds, reveal the rainbow. 22.6 meters and you made it. We hope you're feeling a bit more joyful. Look at this. Who needs doom when there's so much joy? And if you ever need more, we're always here. That's pretty special. Yeah, if we could replace our doom scrolling with more joy scrolling, have website experiences and digital experiences that reflect more of what that just was, then I think we'd all be in a better place. Good work. We'll see you in the next one.